Many people don't know that Disney Plus has different content in different countries. This can be super frustrating, especially when you hear about all the awesome shows that aren't available where you are. But don't worry, there is a solution. By using a VPN, you can easily access Disney Plus content from anywhere in the world. So first, you're going to pick a reliable VPN like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or CyberGhost. Okay? All reputable. These services help you to hide your location and pretend that you're browsing from another country. Then, install a VPN app on your device and connect it to a server in the country where your favorite shows are available. After that, simply go to the Disney Plus and log in. So, you'll be able to watch movies and shows that weren't available before. That's the whole point, right? So another tip is to clear your cache or to use a private browser mode to avoid problems. Also, make sure that your VPN is connected every time you want to watch Disney Plus. So now that you know the secret, don't wait. Start enjoying all the content that you've been missing out on. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.